Hello everyone, let's discuss the features of object-oriented programming. The core of Java. The object-oriented programming is at the core of Java. In fact, all Java programs are to at least some extent object-oriented. Why OOP is integral to Java? OOP is so integral to Java that it is best to understand its basic principles before you begin writing even simple Java programs. Core principles of OOP. First is class and object. A logical entity, or a class, is a blueprint or template. Objects are instances of a class. Second is encapsulation, bundling data and methods together and restricting direct access to some of an object's components. Third is inheritance, creating new classes from existing classes. It promotes code reusability and establishes relationships. Fourth is polymorphism, the ability of an object to take many forms. It allows methods to do different things based on the object that it is acting on. And last one is fifth, that is abstraction, hiding complex implementation details and showing only the essential features to the user. In summary, understanding the theoretical aspects of OOP is essential before you start coding in Java. It forms the foundation for writing modular, reusable, and maintainable Java programs. Two paradigms of programming. All computer programs consist of two elements, code and data. Furthermore, a program can be conceptually organized around its code or around its data. That is, some programs are written around what is happening, and others are written around who is being affected. These are the two paradigms that govern how a program is constructed. The two paradigms. What is happening? Focus on code. WHO is being affected? Focus on data first is process-oriented model. This approach characterizes a program as a series of linear steps, that is, code. The process-oriented model can be thought of as code acting on data. Input data right-pointing arrow process, code, right-pointing arrow output data. First step 1, second step 2, third step 3 and so on. Step N. Procedural languages such as C employ this model to considerable success. However, problems with this approach appear as programs grow larger and more complex. Limitations as complexity grows. Code becomes hard to manage and maintain. Changes in data often require changes in code. Reusability is limited. Difficult to model real-world entities effectively. Second is object-oriented programming. This approach organizes a program around its data, that is, objects, and a set of well-defined interfaces to that data. An object-oriented program can be characterized as data controlling access to code. Request means message, object means data, and response means result, object contains data and methods, that is code. As you will see, switching the controlling entity to data can yield several organizational benefits. The benefits of the object-oriented approach are better organization and modularity, easier maintenance and extension, reusability through objects and classes, models real-world entities naturally. Key takeaway: process-oriented means code acts on data. Object-oriented means data controls access to code. Switching control to data leads to scalability, flexibility, and real-world modeling. Now you can go through the remaining features yourself, which are detailed on the following slides. They are self-explanatory.